I was leaving my first husband when I was 20 years old. I got hit by a car as a pedestrian when I was 22 years old, and that resulted in so much trauma for me. And then when I'm 35 and I think I'm finally over the big humps in life, I suddenly have a panic attack and it ends up lasting over 8 weeks long, which destroyed my life basically. And I had to rebuild. I had to rebuild my life and I had to rebuild myself because it shattered my self confidence. It shattered my business. It shattered everything for me. And I had to build from the bottom up. And so this course with Wild Morning Rituals is all about coming to a place where I want to show you how it is that I did that. I also want to show you how it is that I gave this framework, gave these pieces to my clients. Thousands of clients, thousands and thousands of hours of coaching one on one that I have done with people. And I have taken that now and I'm going to put it into a course for you. And so I want you to feel jazzed. I want you to feel hopeful. I want you to feel like, yes, I am going to integrate these practices and I am going to come into that spiritual part of myself. I'm going to come into that practical part of myself and I'm going to start to change my life because that is very much what is possible here. You know people that have been there, that have been in that place where they are at the absolute bottom and they have somehow managed to build themselves up. I guarantee you that the morning was part of it. This is one major piece of changing your life, of getting your life into the direction that you want it to go. And not just let's look at the future. Let's look at the now. Let's look at the every single day. Do you want to have a powerful day? Do you want to have a productive day? Do you want to feel confident today? Do you want to feel good and energized and fantastic and good about yourself and know who you are on a daily basis so that you don't forget when the world comes in and tries to shake you up and take you away and put you into your bad habits and your negative coping mechanisms? I want to show you a way every single day that you can reconnect in and go, this is who I am. This is my best self. This is who I'm becoming. This is the action. This is the words. This is the language. This is the everything that I want to take into my day so that I can show up as my best self. This is what I want to offer you in this course. So I hope that you're excited.